I took a loss in the live session, but was able to re-engage that same trade. Let's see how it turned out, though. Hey, what's up, guys? Daily recap for yesterday, actually, Thursday, August 18th. I wasn't able to do it yesterday afternoon or yesterday evening, and so we're going to do a quick recap now before the market opens. I did take a loss yesterday, a -1R. You guys saw me take that live. I was able to get back in right after, so I took a 1R loss, -253. You guys saw me take that one live. I was able to get essentially back into the same trade and close that one out break even. I was within a point or a point and a half of target and pulled back hard, and I moved my stop up to break even. I was nearly up 2R, pointing away from target, and on the pullback, never really gave me anywhere to move my stop to, though, so ended it plus $20, as you'll see there on the right-hand side. But this was my first trade, right? It was a very slow morning, very little volume. The first hour, regular trading hours range was only 15 points after many attempts to the downside and holding below the original support and resistance level. Price finally broke to the upside with decent volume, signaling me the potential to move higher. I waited patiently for the price to give a leg out as the confirmation of the move, and then set my trade waiting for a pullback. Price pulled back on me twice, stopping me out by only 2 points, so a better stop would have held me in the trade, but I was stopped out, and before finally going long, at which point I re-engaged the trade. Let's go ahead and take a look at the screenshots. It was a pullback continuation. I only have the one screenshot, though. So price spent the morning trying to break down. It opened up here, broke right through this support and resistance level that I had drawn out, and spent the majority of the morning hanging out below before finally breaking up. When it broke up here, this was my signal to try and get long. I did wait for this leg out, and then got in on a pullback. My zone was this entire 2-minute candle, as we talked about live on the live stream. I still would have gotten stopped out even if I would have, well, not if I would have had it below this other candle, but my stop was right below this candle. Price pulled back to fill me in, and then made another run up to about break even before pulling back and stopping me out. But this ended up being the low for the morning there, or at least inside of this trade, before reversing and going back up, right? And this was the plan that I had: breakout, pull back, take it long. It did break out, got in on a pullback. It did pull back deeper, though, before going long, and that led to the next trade right after we got off the live session. When it went used the restroom right after we got off the live, grabbed a quick glass of water, and when I came back to the charts, price started to move back up. And when this candle tested this high again, I put another order on, got filled in on the pullback there, and price went up damn near to my target. It was about 1 point from my target before reversing hard after 12 o'clock. This was essentially around noon, and it spent the rest of the time after noon just reversing. And this candle, when I saw this huge wide-ranging candle form, I moved my stop up to break even, plus like 1 point or something like that, and I closed the trade. And so that was the trade. Wasn't able to. I was pretty disappointed. I was very, very, very close to target, ending the day up 1R, but no dice. Ended the day down 1R, and but we live to fight another day. And so that was the recap. we're about to go live for the pre-market analysis. So I'm going to end this recap kind of quickly, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging with that. And so again, minus 1R on the day. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.